Hello, Jason here from Septic Tank TV, alright, and in today's short video I'm going to talk about septic tank basics. So, what is a septic tank? What is a soakaway? And how do you install them? How much does it cost? So let me get straight into this. So, what is a septic tank? Well, a septic tank is basically a holding tank. So it can come in many different shapes and sizes, but a tank is a tank is a tank is a tank. And so basically what you've got is a pipe coming into the septic tank and a pipe going out from the septic tank. So the pipe coming in to the septic tank is called an inlet, and the pipe going out from the septic tank is called an outlet. Now, when you in your house, you've got baths, you've got showers, you've got toilets, you've got washing machines, you've got dishwashers, all that kind of stuff. So basically when you flush your loo, or the washing machine does its rinse and stuff, or you have a shower, or you flush the loo, all that wastewater will leave your house, right? It'll come in through the inlet pipe and it will fill your septic tank up. So basically, in your tank, you've got poo, you've got wee, you've got hair, skin, carrot peelings, potato peelings, and other kinds of debris, sanitary towels, all that kind of stuff, right? And they're all in your septic tank. Now, on top of your septic tank, you will have a lid. So that means you can lift the lid and inspect your septic tank anytime you want, or you can get a septic tank man in and he'll come and lift the lid and put his pipe in and suck all the sludge and stuff out when you need it desludging. So that's basically what a septic tank is. Now, septic tanks can come in all different shapes and sizes. For example, they can be made of concrete, they can be made of brick, of fiberglass, of plastic, but that's typically what a septic tank is. So what's a soakaway? Well, that's a very good question. So we've looked at our tank, right? And on the tank, you've got an inlet and an outlet. Now, connected to the outlet is a soakaway. Every single septic tank has a soakaway. Why? Because it allows the liquid from the tank to soak away. That's why it's called a soakaway. And the water leaves, makes its way down the outlet pipe. It goes into the soakaway. Now, the soakaway in this instance, these are drainage field crates. Drainage field crates basically would look like, be a hole with like that. All right, so they keep the structure of the hole, but it'd be filled with crates. Now you can get loads of different types of soakaways. Some soakaways are filled with builder's rubble and bicycles. Other soakaways are just filled with gravel. Some are filled with pipes. But a soakaway is a soakaway is a soakaway. And as I said, it allows the liquid to naturally soak away into the soil. If you didn't have a soakaway, right, and you didn't have an outlet, then this would be called a cesspool. And what happens is, if it's a cesspool, the liquid comes into the tank, it fills up, and then when it's full, you've got to keep getting it emptied. No one has a cesspool in this day and age, right? Everyone has a septic tank and soakaway. So that's what a septic tank is, and that's what a soakaway is. So next question is, how much will it cost you to put a new septic tank and soakaway in? So you've got two options, right? If you want to put a new septic tank and soakaway in, right? Or replace one. Option one, you can get a company in to put a new septic tank and soakaway in for you. Now, typically, the going rate will be anywhere from £8,000 to £12,000. So that's what they'll cost you to supply and install a system, and typically they'll give you a system about a 15-year guarantee, and typically it'll take them about a week to do. Okay, so that's option number one. Now, option number two, and this is my favourite option, right? And you can call me biased if you want, but I wish this option was available when I had to put my own septic tank and soakaway in, right? Option two is a septic tank and soakaway kit. Now, these septic tank and soakaway kits are absolutely amazing, right? Why? Because they come with all the pipe work, they come with the tank, they come with the inspection chamber, they come with the soakaway, they come with everything. And they literally take about, I don't know, 2-3 hours to put in. And you can put one in yourself, right? or you can get your builder to do it, right? So how much will it cost you if you do it yourself, or get your builder to do it with one of these? Well, it's about 9,000 quid less, right? So it'll cost you anywhere from about 1499, from 1499 to about 3 grand. So that's a complete septic tank and soakaway system. And these septic tank and soakaway kits are fantastic. They come with a lifetime guarantee. They last about 25, 35 years. So personally, yes, and again, I'm being biased because I've been in the game for 20 years and I kind of know all the pros and cons from anything. Personally, if I'd moved into a house and I needed to put a new system in or replace an old system, I'd go for a septic tank and soakaway kit anytime, because, as I said, they're so easy to put in. They come with a government certificate. They'd be designed for the DIY market, and builders love putting them in. And a builder will probably charge you 300, 400, 500 quid to do it. So there you go. So that's a septic tank basics. So you know what a septic tank is now. You know what a soakaway is now. And if you're going to install your own septic tank and soakaway, hopefully you've got you can make an informed decision now as to who you're going to get to install it for you. So listen, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. If you'd like to see some more videos or see more of me, then just go to Septic Tank TV, type it in Google, or go to my YouTube channel, Septic Tank TV, where you can see more of me, and you can find loads more different septic tank kind of videos that I've done for you. So listen, you take care, and I'll speak to you soon.